Making chicken nuggets at home is quite simple and allows you to control the ingredients and flavors to your liking. Here's a basic recipe for making homemade chicken nuggets. Ingredients: 1. Boneless, skinless chicken breasts or chicken tenders. 2. Salt and pepper, to taste. 3. 1 cup all-purpose flour. 4. 2-3 eggs. 5. 2 cups breadcrumbs, you can use regular, panko, or seasoned breadcrumbs. 6. Optional seasonings, garlic powder, paprika, onion powder, dried herbs, etc. 7. Cooking oil, such as vegetable oil, for frying. Instructions. Prepare the chicken. 1. Cut the chicken breasts or tenders into bite-sized pieces. 2. Pat them dry with paper towels to remove excess moisture. 3. Season the chicken with salt and pepper. Set up dredging stations. 1. Prepare 3 shallow dishes. 2. Place flour in the first dish, beaten eggs in the second dish, and breadcrumbs, mixed with optional seasonings, in the third dish. Coating the chicken. 1. Take a piece of chicken and coat it in the flour, shaking off any excess. 2. Dip the floured chicken into the beaten eggs, making sure it's coated evenly. 3. Roll the chicken in the breadcrumbs mixture, pressing gently to adhere the breadcrumbs. 4. Ensure the chicken is fully coated. Repeat for all chicken pieces. 1. Repeat the coating process for all the chicken pieces. 2. You can use one hand for the dry ingredients, flour and breadcrumbs, and the other hand for the wet ingredients, eggs, to minimize mess. Heat the oil. 1. In a deep skillet or frying pan, heat enough cooking oil to cover the chicken pieces. 2. Heat the oil to around 350,375 degrees Fahrenheit, 175,190 degrees Celsius. Frying the chicken nuggets. 1. Carefully place a few coated chicken nuggets into the hot oil using tongs. 2. Be sure not to overcrowd the pan. 3. Fry the nuggets for about 2-3 minutes on each side, or until they are golden brown and cooked through. 4. The internal temperature of the chicken should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. Draining and serving. 1. Once the nuggets are cooked, use a slotted spoon to remove them from the oil and place them on a plate lined with paper towels to drain excess oil. Serve. 1. Serve the homemade chicken nuggets with your favorite dipping sauces, such as ketchup, barbecue sauce, honey mustard, or ranch dressing. Remember that frying involves hot oil, so take necessary precautions to avoid burns and be mindful of safety while cooking. You can also consider baking the chicken nuggets in the oven for a healthier alternative. Just preheat the oven to around 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, and bake the nuggets on a lightly greased baking sheet for about 15-20 minutes. Turning them halfway through, until they're crispy and cooked through.